So guys, happy driving again. I'm here again with Mandy Paddy. So kung saan man tayo papunta, have a safe drive. And kung nagsiselfone kayo ay just relax, pero bawal yan, no? So today tuturuan natin ang mga bata at matatanda kung paano magsalita ng polite and rude way. For example, Mandy here is gonna say the polite way, and yours truly is gonna be of course, the bad guy. So, Mandy, first step or first try is how are we going to say in the polite and bad way of give me food, or I'm hungry, give me something
like this? Can you please give me some food? Thank you.
Whoa, that is really polite, guys. You must have get that from your father.
No, me.
Oh yeah, from your school? I don't believe you. Maybe from your mother too. So the rude way of saying that is, please don't copy this. This is just for entertainment purposes only, guys. I'm hungry. Give me the food, you moron.
No, like this.
No, that is rude. Okay, next, you're gonna say only the polite words. So, how about for example, you are thirsty. How are you gonna say or ask for food in a polite way?
Teacher, can you please give me some water? Thank you.
Wow, as usual, angelic face and voice all in one. Look at that, look at that. You must have get that from your father again. Maybe no. So the rude way of that is, again, do not say this, guys. This is just for
Papa, what's the rude way?
For thirsty. I'm a plant. Why not everyone is watering me? Here, you freak.
That's a bad word.
Bad word. This is a freak, remember? Okay. Next is how are you going to say if you are feeling poo-poo in a polite way, if you're asking for help? And okay, asking for help if you are the poo-poo in a polite way, go!
Papa, can I please poo-poo? Thank you for washing my poo.
So that is the polite way, that is right, and this is the rude way to say that, guys. There's chocolate in my butthole. Please get it. Somebody eat it.
Papa, no, there's no.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry, because I'm a natural good person. So next is next we are going to say goodbye. You're going to say goodbye from your close friend in a polite way. Go.
Goodbye, my friend. Come on, let's go home now. It's okay. Don't be scared. Come on.
Yeah, you're right. And the rude way to say goodbye is, I don't want to see you again, guys. You are all bad influence.
How could you?
That's why I'm rude. I'm the Saja boy. I'm the rude.
Oh no, I'm Ruby now.
Alright, that's it for this rainy lunch day. And guys, let's have a lunch and have a safe drive from Mandy Buddy.
And guys, I'm just kidding.
And the natural good boy. Wow, what are you listening to?
K-pop Demon Hunters. I hate such a voice.
She's just pretending, guys. There's no sound.
We're
It's not
going
connected.